In this video, I'll show you step by step on how you can create and verify your account you can use to invest in stock. You can invest in cryptocurrency and forex using one platform. If you are meeting me for the first time, I'm Joseph Say. I'm a forex, crypto, synthetic indices, and stock trader. So I'll be guiding you step by step on how you can create and verify your account. The process is very straightforward. All you need to do is just use the link that is in the comment section. All right, I'll make sure to pin this link for you to have access to this particular platform, so you can claim what your welcome bonus. So now, using this platform, you have two ways for you to create account. You can either use your email address or use your phone number. I will highly recommend you use your email. In case you relocate to another country, it's going to be very easy for you to access. All right, so now all you need to do is, after clicking the link that is pinned in the comment section. So after you have clicked the link and you have created your account, make sure to check the description of these videos for you to join my Telegram group, where I'll be sharing free signals for you to be able to trade crypto and for you to be able to buy new stocks. I'll be giving you update the stocks that are available that I'm buying every month. So now enter your email address here. All right, make sure you know the password to your email address. So I'll just enter this email address here. All right, make sure you know your email address very well. So after you have entered the email address, okay, then you are going to see sign up. So you can sign up with Apple, you can sign up with Google, yeah, MetaMask and all, but I recommend you just manually input this one. Okay, then you tap sign up. So when you tap sign up, you are going to hold on for security verification. Now just tap here to confirm you are not a robot. Then afterwards, 6-digit verification code have been sent toward the email which you use. And please note, this is only valid for 15 minutes. So all you need to do now is go to your email, all right, and check for the code. So the code is now here, account sign up verification. You tap, so this is the code 600-724. So go back now and enter this, all right, 600-724. 600-724. Right, so that's what step 2. Right, so now this is step 3. You need to enter what password. You need to create password that is between 10 to 28 128 character, that contains at least one uppercase, that's capital letter, one lowercase small letter, and at least one number. So let's create. So they are giving you sample here, but use keyboard. All right, make sure you set what your password. Let's set something basic, right? Yeah, so now you have what your password. You have met all these criteria. Then the next thing you want to do is you tap confirm. So you see, please complete your KYC verification. That is what know your customer. All right, so you can tap here to verify now. But what I will advise you is for you to go to App Store or Google Play Store and just type MEXE. All right, so we install or download the app and we are going to continue with our verification. However, you can also tap here and just carry out with what your verification if you also want this. So when you tap here, then you can just go ahead. So you see the app is just going to pop up. I've already installed this. All right, so you can just go ahead. So verify by web or verify by app, right? Then you can just go ahead and do your verification. This is where you are going to upload your ID and facial recognition. So all you now need to do is verify by app. Okay, so let's just go to App Store and install the app. So when you're at App Store or Google Play Store, just type MEXC. All right, then you just chat. Then this is going to pop up. You're going to see stuff like this is an ad. So this is the app here. All right, you tap here, then you can easily just install, or you download the app, after which you just tap open. So we are going to wait for the app to launch, and we are going to log in so we can do our verification process. I already have a verified account, so don't allow to paste. I already have a verified account, so what I'll do is I'll just explain to you guys the process. Okay, so now this is the app, right? This is now the sign up, and you are now going to see login. All right, you already have an account, so tap login. So when you tap login, you are going to arrive here. Make sure you enter the email you used earlier on. So let's enter our email. So let's enter our email. So this is the email we used earlier on to create our account. Tap next. And you'll be asked to just do this puzzle, just drag so it fits here. You are good to go. Then you'll be asked for what? Password. All right, let's just hold on for this. So now enter the password you used to create your account before. Then you tap login. So 6 digit code have been sent to your email. Go again and confirm and enter this email. Let's go to our email. So this is the code 575174. So we are now in. All right, so we just need to verify. You're going to see verify now here. So the process is very straightforward. All you need to do is you tap here. When you tap here, you have two sets of verification. You have the primary verification, which gives you the opportunity to withdraw 80 BTC per day if you have a chance. Then you can also trade fiat by P2P. That's peer-to-peer. I will show you how to deposit. The only thing you need to do is like to upload your ID. The advanced level, which gives you more benefits and you get up to 100 USDT bonus, is like you have to like upload your ID verification and also do facial recognition. So just tap here this verify and you'll be asked to upload your ID, and after which you just tap here again verify. You'll be asked to just carry out the process. Just follow the prompt, and after everything your account will be fully verified. So let me show you what it looks like when your account is fully verified. So after the account verification, you are not going to see verify now icon here again. You are just going to see deposit and you are going to see trade and kind of like interface like this. For you to finally confirm like your account is verified, go to the top icon here and you tap this. Then you are going to see this area where you say verified. Okay, you get to see here verified and you are good to go. So in upcoming videos, I'll show you the different methods you can use to deposit in this your trading account, and we are going to talk about forex, we are going to talk about crypto, we are going to talk about stock and so many other things here. If you find value, do ensure you subscribe if you have not. Like this video, share this video to others, and if you do have any question, drop them in the comment section. I promise to respond within 24 hours. And make sure to check the description of this video to join our free Telegram community where I share free resources on weekly basis. Thanks so much. I'm Joseph C, the CEO and founder of Joseph C Concept Academy, the biggest trading community in CIO, JLC, in the race to end poverty.